Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we've got another exciting NFT project for you called the Metastars. This is a massive project that looks to bring virtual events, mainly music, to the metaverse and beyond. Today we're going to go through their website, their roadmap, and get you more information about the project. We're also going to dive into their social media so we can go through that as well, and then we'll let you know what we think about this project at the end. Now, one thing before we get started, I do need to let you know that I am not a financial advisor, so anything I do say in this video is my own personal opinion, and make sure you do your own research before investing in any of these NFT projects. Definitely do your own due diligence and never invest more than you are willing to lose. And with that being said, we'll get started here. Starting with some basic information on the Metastars, this is going to be a collection of 8,888 3D NFTs living in the metaverse. They're going to have more than 150 traits, and each will be unique. All these will be stored as ERC-721 tokens on the Ethereum blockchain and also hosted on IPFS. And just some of the preview art here that you see scrolling through, I think it's amazing. I really like the art style of this project and extremely interested. I've been following this one for a while. The community is huge. So with this project, they look to go beyond the art in a big way. They're looking to implement a meta arena, which is going to be a massive entertainment complex, which will bring in virtual concerts, festivals, and also have nightclubs that are hosting DJs. All of this will be community driven. And then they look to expand beyond that into their meta world, then into the sandbox, which is a metaverse in itself. And once you get onto the sandbox, it's going to be owned and operated by holders of this NFT project, which will also gain you access to airdrops and other rewards. Now, they are implementing a new concept, which is a P2E, but it's party to earn. We'll go over more details on that later, but it is definitely unique and I like it. So taking a look at their roadmap, they've actually implemented a lot of these already, but they've got the party to earn mechanic, which just by participating in some of these events will get you exclusive prizes. Holding these NFTs is going to offer a lot of added benefits. So they're going to be doing drops every month just for holding some of the unique ones, and prizes range anywhere from 500 USD to 10,000 USD, which is huge just for holding. They are creating their own token, which is going to be MWT, the Meta World Token. Then they're going to expand and look to grow as much as they can to be the biggest entertainment ecosystem in the metaverse. Definitely interested to see how this one's going to play out, because I think this is a unique project and I think they've got a really good opportunity here as long as it all plays out correctly. So going beyond that, also with their decentralized event organization, they are going to let the community drive decisions on the project itself and future expansions, and then what artists to bring in and collaborate with. And these are looking to go out through as seasons of this project. And finally, they're going to open up a merch store and collector items with different collaborations with artists and clothing. And then finally, they're doing the creation of the Metastars Fund. This one is going to give back to holders in need that are artistic or musical or any other technological projects. And these are going to range anywhere from 20,000 to 100,000 USD as a donation to holders every 6 months. I like that they've added in the give back kind of functionality in this. I think that is crucial in some of these projects if they want to survive and grow, is they need to give back to either the community or the earth, or give back in some other way. And these guys are doing both. They're giving back to the holders, and they're also giving back to other people in need outside of the metaverse. So I do like that. Taking a quick look at the team here next, these guys do have their own individual profiles. Most of them have LinkedIn profiles. So if you want to read more into the team, definitely check out their individual profiles to get some more information on them. Now, I did come over here to show their white paper a little here because they don't mention it on the website, but their projected pricing right now is stage 1 with pre-sale is going to be 0.1 Ethereum, and the supply is only going to be 444. Then their second stage, same thing, but they're going to release another 444. And then with the public sale, the price is going to go up projected to 0.25 Ethereum, and that's when they're going to get rid of the rest of the supply, and that'll be 8,000 with a max of 10 per wallet. And just going through the white paper, this was the most relevant information that I found on here. Everything else is on their website, and they've transferred it from their white paper over to the website very well. So that was the only thing I wanted to point out. Now, before moving on to their social media, I did want to quickly mention the Meta World website, which is going to be the overall ecosystem that the Metastars will be in eventually. A lot of this information here is the exact same as the other site, but I wanted to point it out because I think this one will be updated down the road when other major updates are released and when their next projects are being built out. You can get all the information here. This is going to be the bigger overall project site for this. All right, and taking a look at the Twitter for the Metastars, They currently have about 21,200 followers. They are active. They do post daily from what I've experienced since following them. They have a lot of good information here. They interact with other projects. Definitely worth a follow to get major updates on this project, and also some of the sneak peeks that they're offering of what are possible with the minting process. I do like the artwork again. I think it's unique, and they definitely have a good target audience for this. And the biggest thing here is just kind of getting alerted when the raffles are. There's a lot of information that comes out of the Discord, but with Twitter, these are the major updates that you'll get alerted on that are a little bit more major. So coming over to the Metastars Discord, I did want to point out that they currently have 205,000 members in their Discord, which is huge. The Discord is active all the time, 24 hours a day. They've got a lot of good information here. And the first thing I wanted to point out was the roadmap. If you want to look at the roadmap in a very basic text form, it's right here. They laid it out really well. And I like looking at this because some people just don't want to see all the graphics and making the roadmap look pretty. They just want to get the facts, and it is right here. So if you're interested in this one at all, join the Discord. Again, it's active all the time. All of the updates go through Discord first from my experience. So if you want to get the most up-to-date information, be alerted for things right away, definitely be in the Discord. And also if you want to get on any whitelists or future whitelists for this project, you have to participate, and it'll also help get you involved in the raffles. I think they are making it a requirement now to be part of a raffle. You have to be in the Discord server as well, so definitely check that out. So in closing with the Metastars, I think this is a massive project that has huge potential. I think they're targeting a very good market. The people behind the project are extremely passionate. I'm really interested to see what they can create with this, and really to see what artists they can get involved in this, because if they are able to bring in some high-end artists and host a proper virtual event, I think this thing will just take off. But that is my opinion. I want to know what you guys think. Do you guys think this project's going to be as big as I do, or do you think it's going to fail, or is it something you're just interested in and wanted more information? Either way, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to interact with you there. And if there's another project out there you want us to cover, let us know as well, and we'll get a video started on that. Make sure you like the video and subscribe for more NFT projects like this, and we will see you in the next one.